Do you guys hear that? Peace and quiet. Welcome to the vlog, guys. It is Thursday and I got away from the city for just, what is it going to be, 3 days? Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I guess almost 4. Yeah, I thought I'd just bring you guys along with me. It's sunny. We're sitting on, I don't know what this is called. It's like a moving stationary dock that's been hooked back there, if I'm pointing somewhere correctly. That's the water. But yeah, nothing but peace and quiet this weekend. We went for a bike ride earlier as soon as we got here. And then the itinerary is to, what are we doing? We're gonna go on a canoe at some point. That canoe back there, as you can see. So we'll go on a canoe. We're gonna go to an island. We're gonna go swimming. Actually, you know what? I'm not even gonna tell you guys about it. Just wait and see. I will bring you guys along as much as I could. I should have brought you guys along on the bike ride, but if we step out again to go bike riding, I'll bring you guys along. But yeah, come along with me on my relaxing time away from Toronto. If you are in Toronto and wondering what the cottages is like or are like, then you might be interested in this video. We are in, so past Peterborough and like Lakefield-ish area. Enough talking. Let's just take in the sun. It's September, by the way. Like mid-September. Just take in the sun. Yeah. See you guys soon. Ooh la la, do you guys see that? We're gonna head over there. So someone made a fire. I can't take props for that because I have not made a fire for myself yet. But one day. Oh, it's died down a bit. The water's over there. Yeah, the fire's died down. I need to not get burnt. This is always exciting. Oh. There's some on this side. But this is where the smoke is. Okay. Okay, there we go. Switching gears to my iPhone. How's the quality now? Take in this view with me in it. I don't know if you guys can like take me seriously with these glasses. I feel like they're lopsided. I haven't put them on ever. But yeah, I don't know. Can you guys take me seriously? Should I take it off? I'll take it off. She'll take it off. But good afternoon, guys. We are heading over to an island. Somewhere in, I think, no, it's somewhere. That direction. We're going to be paddling over. So this is our canoe. Look at the ground. Oh my gosh, all this. Is it seaweed? Oh, what is this? But the funny thing is the water is super clean. It's just in this area, I guess when they cut, or I was told, when they cut the stuff in the water and then there's sand in the water as well, eventually it kind of just moves to the shore and then it gathers up and looks like this. So a little bit that way, the water is super clear. You guys are going to see when we get there. But this is how we're getting over there. We're going to be using arm strength. I have not worked on my arms in a long time, so I don't know how much help I'm gonna be, but I'm gonna try. But yeah, you guys can see we have chairs. We're gonna be sitting, and then we brought a whole bunch of food. So there's like corn, sausages, chicken, and then marshmallows, of course. I think there's a hammock as well. And then I'm in my swimsuit, my bathing suit. And then yeah, you guys will see. What else do I want to tell you? I'm excited. I'm excited and scared. I mean, I can swim, but I haven't swum in that area. I don't know how the water is. Over here, it's very deceiving because right now this is super shallow. Like the other day we got in on that end, and like from here to like about there, we were up to, the water was up to our knees basically. And like there's a big rocks over here. So it's super deceiving, but I heard that it's much deeper over there. And what's another interesting thing or fact about this place is, so the water is like clear over here, and then as you step in more, you start to see seaweed or plants growing in the water, like very tall over there. So it's not that nice to get all out, to go that far. But over there it should be all clear. I think the water is like 6 to 7 feet deep, so we'll see how this goes. I brought a book too. I've been intending on reading this book called how to not give a fuck or something. I feel like I give a fuck a lot about what people say, and I take things to heart a lot, just because that's who I am. And lately, like in Canada, I feel like I've been surrounded by a lot of people that don't really care, that don't genuinely care. They're just like whatever, and that's just not who I am. So I feel like it's important for me to read this book and like take it in and maybe change my character if possible. Anyway, yeah, this is our third day up here. I would want to give you guys, typically I'd want to give you guys a rundown of yesterday since I didn't really pick up the camera, but I'm trying to not do that, more so just vlog in the moment and speak in the moment. But I did take a few clips, so I might like do a voiceover. If I did a voiceover, you would have seen that. But yeah, this is day 3. It's our last full day here, and we're gonna be spending it on an island, and you guys are coming along with me or us, so buckle up. And one more thing, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, konnichiwa, is that how we say all the words? What else do I know? I think that's it. All right, I'm done checking in for now. I will see you guys when we get to the other island. Hopefully you guys can see the water. Can I put this like this? My shoes won't let me succeed. We just got to the island, guys. My shoes are super slippery. I'm gonna take them off. You guys probably want to see the view. Yeah. What's that over there? Oh, it's a. Keep pointing the wrong direction. Over there. Looks like a tree. I'm barefoot now. But we just got to the island. We're making a fire. And we shall be swimming soon. She's a jungle woman. Are you taking video? Guys, don't do this at home. Shake hands, just a baby. We've made corn so far and chicken. Roasted a marshmallow. And that has been it. I used the saw for the first time. That was kind of exciting. I swear to God, there are ants all over me. And it's hot. Like, it's a really nice day. But at one point we went into the water. So the first time I was trying to brave up a bit and enter into the water, but the water here is not like, it's a cliff basically. And if you guys know, if you've been here before, I've had 2 knee surgeries in my life. So I'm so scared of doing anything that could potentially make my injury worse. And jumping into a water, like a lake, I'm not ready for that. I haven't jumped into a pool for a very long time, especially not after my surgery. So I don't want to start experimenting here. So yeah, I let my friend jump in the first time. I didn't jump in. I felt the water is freezing cold and I just could not handle it. But the second time, after we had made several more fires and my body was much hotter, I braved up a bit and I got into the water. But I didn't jump in. I used like a rock to get in, so that was pretty cool. Should have brought you guys along, but there's I don't know how to. I need to find out how I can like possibly swim with a camera. That'd be pretty cool. But yes, I got into the water. We swam a little bit, or at least floated a bit. And yeah, that's been pretty much it. We've just been hanging out here all day long. I want to leave. I want to go golfing, but I don't think we're gonna do that. I would just hang out here and then probably go home soon, and then finish up the 1,000 piece puzzle that we've been doing. It's been a good day though so far. I'll definitely come back next year if things go well. But I just wanted to give you guys a little bit update. I decided to start taking pictures of myself because, you know, why not? We're out here in the wilderness. I mean, was I really out here if I don't have proof? And just like that, we're gone. So we were swimming in this area right here. And now we're going home. Look at the water, guys. Can't really see anything. Closer. Are you guys ready for the big reveal? Oh my gosh, look at how much clarity this is. You can see the people and everything. I swear to God, this looks much easier as I'm looking at it on camera, but it's not as easy when you're trying to put all the pieces together. They don't make sense. But this is what the final puzzle looks like. It looks really good, and that's the image there. Very deceiving. It took us 3 days, 3 relaxed days, and I did a quarter of it, maybe a little bit more. But yep, it's day 3, and we are heading out soon. I'm gonna end the vlog right now because I might not remember to end it later. Earlier I said it was the 3rd day, but it's actually the 4th day. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's been a fun, relaxing weekend. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I was giving off relaxing vibes throughout the vlog, although I didn't say it. Hopefully you felt it. But yeah, we're heading back now. Someone's packing and I'm not helping. Well, I've done my share. So I will see you guys in the next one.